Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's question is the loop of the curve ay square is equal to x square into a minus x is revolved about x-axis. Find the volume of solid so generated. And now this is loop. Equation of loop is ay square is equal to x square into a minus x. Let us draw a rough diagram. Let this point be a0. This loop is revolved about x-axis and we have to find volume of that solid. This point is 0 0 origin and this point is a0. Now volume of solid generated formula is pi integral a to b y square dx. Only one curve is there, therefore y square dx. Now we need to find limit here, limit of x. Now here x varies from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to a, therefore limit is from 0 to a. Now we have to express this equation of curve y square is equal to function of x form. Now a y square is equal to x square into a minus x. Now if we take this a to this side, y square will remain here, 1 upon a x square into a minus x, that is 1 upon a. If we multiply by x square in bracket, a into this x square minus x square into x is x cube. Y square is 1 upon a into a x square minus x cube. Now let us put this here. Volume of solid generated when loop is revolved about x-axis, pi integral limit varies from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to a. Y square is this, 1 upon a x square minus x cube dx is equal to, this 1 upon a is constant, therefore let us take it outside the integral. Pi into 1 upon a is pi upon a. Now integrating, integral of a x square dx minus integral x cube dx, limit is from 0 to a, is equal to pi upon a. A is constant, integral of x square is x cube upon 3. This is in the form x raised to n, and integral of x raised to n is x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. N is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 x cube by 3. Here again x raised to n form, n is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. Therefore x raised to 4 upon 4. Limit is from 0 to a. Since integral x raised to n dx is x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. Is equal to pi upon a into x cube upon 3 minus x raised to 4 upon 4 Limit is 0 to a. Now let us put limit. Upper limit first. We have to put x is equal to a. A into x is a, that is a cube. A cube into a is a raised to 4 divided by 3. This 3. Again we have to put x is equal to a raised to 4 upon 4 minus lower limit is x is equal to 0 is equal to pi upon a. 4 a raised to 4 minus 3, sorry, this is a. 4 a raised to 4 minus 3 a raised to 4 is 1 a raised to 4 divided by 3 into 4 is 12. 1 a will get cancelled. Therefore, pi a cube divided by 12 cubic units. Volume of solid generated is pi a cube divided by 12 cubic units. If you like this, then please like, share and subscribe and comment. Thank you.